Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to transform a waste mobile box into a beautiful jewelry box. And it's super easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, as your support helps my channel grow. For this DIY project, we will be using simple materials like colored sheets and glue. To start, take an old mobile box and make sure it's clean. Then grab your colored sheets and cut them according to the size of the box. Using glue, carefully stick the sheets on the outside and inside of the box, making sure the edges are smooth. You can choose any color or pattern that suits your style. This is a great way to upcycle old boxes and give them a new purpose. Once the box is covered with the colored sheets, you can move on to decorating it. Add beads, ribbons, or stickers to make it look even more stylish and personalized. If you want, you can add small dividers inside the box to keep your jewelry organized. This project is perfect for anyone who loves DIY crafts and wants to make something useful out of waste materials. It's an easy and affordable way to create a custom jewelry box that matches your personal taste. Plus, it makes a great gift idea. So what are you waiting for? Gather your materials and get started on this fun and creative project. And remember, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY ideas. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the fun too. Your support means a lot and helps my channel grow. Now that we've covered the basic steps for creating your jewelry box, let's dive into some extra tips to make your project stand out even more. One of the best things about DIY crafts is that you can truly make them your own. So feel free to get creative with your designs and decorations. For example, if you have any leftover fabric pieces or old wrapping paper, these can be used to cover the box instead of colored sheets. Fabric can add a soft, luxurious feel to the box, while wrapping paper can offer fun and vibrant patterns. Just make sure to glue the material smoothly so there are no wrinkles. You could even mix and match materials. Use fabric for the outer surface and colored paper for the inside, giving your jewelry box a unique two-tone look. Another great idea is to personalize the box with your initials or a fun message. You can cut out letters from the same colored sheets or use stickers to create a monogram on the lid of the box. Adding some sparkle with glitter glue or metallic markers can also give it a glamorous finish. If you have some lace, pearls,